It is Thredup Thursday, and today we're going to be opening a mystery Thredup rescue box. And I say mystery because I don't know what box it is. It was sitting at my front door. Usually I can tell by the sticker that's on the side. There's no sticker. Or I can pull a receipt out of the end, but they've like triple, quadruple taped this one. So I can't get the receipt out of the side either. So I'm not sure. My guess is that it's a fun box. So I think that's what we will be opening. Now, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit first about the credit that you can use on the Thredup website. So if you are already a Thredup customer and you have rewards points, you can now, as part of the reward, redeem those for a shopping credit, which will give you, based on the number of rewards you have, $20 shopping credit, and those can be used on rescue boxes. So if this is a fun box, I used a $20 credit to buy it, which means it's basically covering a small portion of the box, the shipping, and the tax, but I'll take it. And you are also able to redeem those now back to back, at least for the time being, because we never know when they're going to change things. All right, let's get this one open. For those of you who are new here, my name's Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and the Referral, and I'm cutting toward myself again. Oh my goodness, I just talked about this in my last video. I cut myself opening a box for work because I was cutting toward myself. I guess I've gotten in a bad habit. And there's lots of tape on this one, so be patient with me. If you are a reseller or you enjoy watching these mystery unboxings, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video if you enjoy it, and make sure to comment below. I am going to be putting pricing on the screen, so if you see something that you want to purchase and you don't want to wait for me to list it in my Poshmark or eBay because I'm super behind on listing, just FYI, feel free to email me at stinaresell@gmail.com and I can sell to you directly. Okay. There's the top. I see one of these gift cards. We also talked about this on Tuesday. I got one in that box. It is a $25 gift card, but it's not actually a true gift card. It has a code on it. This is posted in my community page. If you have never purchased from Thredup before and you want to create an account and purchase something, you can apply this code to get $25 off a $35 purchase. You have to be a new Thredup customer and they are not good on rescue boxes, but you can buy some things to either resell or for yourself. So, okay. It is a fun box. All right, the fun box, 10 items, $34. They never put the actual price that you pay on here. I'd have to go back in my email and see what it was, but I'm like positive this was with the $20 credit. All right, let's tear the tissue. And while I'm getting this open, make sure you guys tune in on Sunday. I'm going to be part of a Thredup Rescue Box name brand handbag collab. And we are going to be starting off at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Timeless Jewel by Deborah's channel. And there are 7 of us, and we're going to be going every 30 minutes. We will be live in the chat. The puppy's in here. We'll be live in the chat, and you can see what we get. I am really hoping for a good box this time, you guys. I don't have good luck with those name brand handbag boxes, so we shall see. There's another look after I took the air pockets off. And I love when they theme boxes, and I feel like this one is themed. Yay! It looks very Christmassy, which also makes me excited. So let's get started. Look what I've got. Got some Christmas socks. These have a retail price of $3.99. They say the Christmas shop, and it is one size fits all. I love those. Yay. Oh, gosh, I see some fun things in here. I love when there's a great variety in these fun boxes. It makes me so excited. Next up, we have a pair of pajama pants. These, you know, have that thermal look to them, kind of with that waffle fabric. And these have Christmas lights on them. These are by Old Navy. So they are new with tags, and they are in a size large. Let's see if I can hold these up. Those are so cute. And then they have, of course, that jogger style end to them. If these were my size, I would totally keep these. I love those. Okay, so 2 Christmas items. Okay, the next item I see I'm super excited about. Look at this. I love this. For those of you who don't know, I don't talk about it a ton, but my full-time job is I own a ticketing business. I do group sales for different family events. I have been in the entertainment industry doing ticketing for 20 years, a long time. And I do different events, not just in Houston, but across the country. So anything ticket related, I'm like obsessed with. So this is a little Ipsy case, like a little cosmetic case that says ticket on it. And this one will not be for sale. I will be keeping this for myself. I love this. I even have, let's see if I have them handy. Yeah. I didn't get these from a box, but I ordered these little Post-its, little tickets. So you can see I have a problem. I love that. Yay, something for myself. Okay. Give you guys another little pink. I see some slippers. I actually have these slippers already. These are Victoria's Secret and they have the little poof on the top. I don't have them in red though. I have them in like a light blue color. So these are great. Perfect for the upcoming season. New with tags. Let's see if there's a price. No price on them. It says that these are in a size medium. So that is great. Just kind of going down through the middle of the box, and then there's some things piled on the end. Hold on, we've got a tangle here. Okay. All right, looks like we have a bralette. Oh no, this is a bra, not a bralette. Look at that. Very sheer stripes. And this is really soft too. I don't know what this is made out of. Let's see. Okay. Summer Salt is the brand. Not familiar. No pricing on here. Let's see if I can see a size. I will have to take a closer look at this. I don't see a size on here. Anyway, I would guess that this is probably, I don't know, a medium, a small, I don't know. I'll have to try to look closer for a size. I don't see one. Maybe it's a medium, only because right here after the name of the item, it has an M. But for whatever reason, oh, here it is. It's on the bottom of this tag. Medium. So you got a medium. This is very soft. Cute. I'll have to look that one up. I love also when I get to research different items. Okay, we have, it looks like a little like maybe reader's case. It's very soft, like a suede kind of. And it does have a TIJN kind of embossed along the bottom there. Doesn't always mean the brand that's in here is the same though. That's happened to me before. Okay, oh, maybe these are these readers? Look how cool those are. Very geometric. I think they are the same brand. They are. So I will have to also look these up. Very cool. I don't know if they're readers or if they're like blue light glasses. It doesn't have like a magnification or anything on it, so maybe they're blue light? I don't know. But those are neat. I'll have to look these up. Okay, this is the last item from like the middle of the box, and I'll give y'all another pink. Looks like we have like a workout stretchy headband. And this says she, And it's got a wolf or something on there. Is that a wolf? Looks like a wolf. Oh yeah. Wolves Forever Energy Headband. One size fits all. Let's see. It's talking about fighting for your goals, your family, and your life. It says we're part of something bigger than ourselves. Brothers and sisters in iron. Our wolf will always represent what it means to never, and then there's a cuss word, the F word, give up. Very cool. I'll have to look this one up too. I love when I get to look things up. So this has got kind of a gripper on it. And then the outside of the headband has the wolves. Okay, let me give you all another pink. There's more air pockets on the bottom. And then I have kind of these other few items here. So we started off with a lot of Christmas stuff and then it just kind of dwindled. But I love that. Love all the Christmas things. We have a little bubble pack. It looks like it has a set of earrings in it. These are by Wet Seal. I haven't thought about Wet Seal in a long time. But you've got an 8-pack of earrings. You know, ones that are supposed to look like a howlite or turquoise and a coral. And then some gold tone balls and like little triangular earrings. And then some little rhinestones in the middle. These, wait, not an 8-pack, 2, 4, 6-pack, sorry. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not counting right. All right, let's see here. There is a retail price of $7.90. All right. Next, we have a pair of tights. Tights are pretty common to get in these. These say an extra small, and these are fleece lined. So also perfect for the cooler season. Not really here in Texas, but other places. And these have a price of $15.95 on the back. So lots of new with tags items. In fact, they might have all been new with tags. All right, last item in the box is in a box. And this looks like a Swatch watch. Is this a new in-box Swatch watch? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna freak out if it is. Okay, let me see if I can get this off. It's a Swatch. Certain swatches can go for good money, so hopefully this is a good one. Look at that. Oh, and it's clicking. You guys, it works. It doesn't even need a battery. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this. Swatch Swiss, and of course this is like an orange and blue color. And I'm going to say this is new. The box is a little, I don't want to say beat up, but it's got a little bit of wear to the box. So maybe it's been in storage for a while. I was going to look to see if I saw like a price on here, but I don't. So maybe this will tell me the name of it. Like if it has a certain style. I don't see it, but it has the instructions. And then this really cool orange with blue accent swatch watch. I am thrilled with that. Yay. What a great fun box. Very happy. Everything except I think my ticketing pouch was new with tags. And I think the pouch is new. It just doesn't have tags on it. So let's count the items and see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I loved this box. Let me know what you all think. I love that there was some Christmas stuff in here. I actually already got my tree up because I'm working a lot right now with some shows that I'm doing. So I put it up last weekend, not with all the ornaments, just put the tree itself up because we have a very busy week next week with Thanksgiving coming, and I usually decorate over Thanksgiving week, but we have some extra plans, and so I wanted to get a jump on it. So we'll see. Hopefully this weekend, maybe I can get a few more things done, because I always hate when I feel rushed and I'm having to decorate for Christmas, because then I feel like I don't have as much joy when I'm doing it, because I'm trying to push through and get it all done, like for the kids and stuff. So my tree's up, it's lit, and hopefully this weekend I will be decorating it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you will join me on Sunday for the name brand handbag box unboxing, and I will see you guys then. Bye, y'all.